Have you ever felt like your entire life is either stuck in the past or lost in the future? Alan Watts once said, "Life happens only in the present moment." But how can we truly live in the now? Let's discover the secret of the eternal now together. Most of us spend our lives trapped in a cycle, worrying about the future or regretting the past. We're constantly searching for happiness in places it doesn't exist. The result? Stress, anxiety, and the overwhelming feeling of being lost. But what if there was a way out of this endless loop? Alan Watts, a renowned philosopher, believed that the key lies in what he called the eternal now. He said, "Life is not a journey with a destination. Life is a dance. The goal isn't to reach somewhere, but to enjoy every step of the way." Imagine this. Instead of chasing happiness, you realize it's already here, right now. The moment you accept the present as it is, life transforms. The present moment isn't just a fleeting second. It's the only thing that's real. The past is gone. The future hasn't arrived. But the now is where life truly happens. But how can we live in the present? Alan Watts offers a few simple yet powerful practices. 1. Focus on your breath. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and feel it enter and leave your body. 2. Let go of judgment. Observe the world around you without labeling it as good or bad. Just notice it as it is through. Do one thing mindfully, whether it's sipping tea or taking a walk. Give it your full attention and notice the details. 4. Connect with nature. Watch how a tree doesn't rush to grow, or how a river flows without resistance. Nature reminds us that life doesn't have to be hurried. Imagine a young woman overwhelmed by work and stress. She pauses, takes a deep breath, steps outside, and notices the beauty of a sunset for the first time in years. Over time, she begins to prioritize the present moment, transforming her outlook on life. Imagine a life where you're no longer controlled by fears of the future or regrets of the past. Instead, you're fully immersed in the beauty of the moment. This is what Alan Watts called the eternal now. And the best part? It's not something you have to find. It's already here. You just need to see it. The only thing that truly exists is this moment, right here, right now. So why let it slip away? Start living in the now and watch how life begins to feel lighter, brighter, and more meaningful. If this message resonated with you, share it with someone who might need to hear it. Let's help others discover the beauty of the eternal now.